Hey, this is Honda. We don't open these things. Let's get started. I just opened that.
Okay, go ahead.
Hope I get the mixed up. Huh?
What you opening, Shopkins?
I think I see right! What I got?
You need help? You got high heel boot. When you get them, hold them right here, Helen, so they can see.
I see pop rocks. What's in here? What's in here? Pop rocks.
Pop. It's a Pop-Tart, I think.
No, it's pop rocks, Mommy.
Okay. We'll look them up.
I'm opening this frozen.
Frozen fashions. Make sure you hold it close to the camera so they can see. You want to show YouTube your Persian cat? After you're done, show them the cat, okay? And then all right, I'm leaving. Oh, take it.
Mommy, I don't know how to do this.
Your dad's assistant right here. Your dad.
Dad, don't open the lid.
Honey.
Ben!
Spin!
Ooh, it's really squishy.
Yeah, hold it to the dot right there. That's where they can sit up here, right here. Oh, back up a little bit right there. Yay!
Ben! Yay. Now let's open.
Here, I'm going to go ahead and give you tear strips for these. Here.
I think I have one.
Here. Here.
Done it. Think I get Spike.
Was that Littlest Pet Shops? You got him again?
Yes.
3 times. You got this little squishy thing.
Keep getting that.
And the last one you get. Oh, that looks like a porcupine or something. That's awesome.
Spike.
That's awesome.
That's it for everything. Here's our project cat.
Tell them her name.
This is Princess. Bye, guys.